this video of Live with rekordbox tips, I'm going to show you how to display or hide your playlist. In the playlist tree, when you right click on one of the playlists, you get an option to display your playlist. There are checkboxes in front of the various playlists that you have created, and by toggling the playlist that you want to hide and then pressing OK, it will disappear from your view. This can be handy for people with a lot of playlists, and if you want to bring them back to your view, you just toggle them again and they're back in your site. There's also an option to only display the playlists that are used with auto upload. This will automatically hide or display any playlists you have that are used with auto upload.